Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the usage of pointers. I'm going to show you very basic examples of pointers, but I hope it will helpful for you to go through the pointers in detail. So before going to pointers, you should know, right, we all know that pointer is nothing but a variable which holds the address of a variable, nothing but of address of another variable, right? So and by default, if you doesn't assign anything on pointers, it shows a garbled value which is unknown values for us. And simply how we are going to define a pointer is very simple. We can use the data type and use a star with a variable name. The normal variable doesn't have a star, asterisk, what we called it as asterisk in between data type and a variable. So I'm defining two types of variables here. If you see an example, one is a pointer int asterisk pointer comma some variable x equals to value 10. So in memory allocations, how this happens is, at some location pointer is present in some address location and which is holding some garbled value, say 744. It should not be 744, we can say any garbled value. And coming to x, it assigns a value of 10 in an address location of 5600, for example. So this is the basic assignment when we declare the variables. Now I am doing the logic. Simply I am assigning the value of x into a pointer by assigning its address. See here, ampersand refers the address. So now the address of x is pointed to a variable called p, which is nothing but a pointer variable. Now the p holds the value of x address. If you see on above 5600, right, this 5600 is present in pointer p. So if you want to access a variable of p, then it will give the value 5600. If you want to show the value present in the address 5600, then automatically this address will map to this location and it shows the value of 10. For simplicity, I am going to show you how this happens in real time. Now I am doing a demo on this pointer concept. So taking a pointer and also a variable. Okay, now I am printing the value of p. So what is the value of p? And also I'm printing the address of x. So if you want to define address, it should be ampersand x, right? So when you define the addresses, we should use the format specifier as %u, and for integers, you know, it is %d, character c, like that. For address it should be %u. And now I'm seeing the value of x by printing it as x. Now I'm doing this, I'm assigning address of x into a pointer. Now again I am writing the same above, the value of p. And printf the address value of p ampersand star p. You can put here also the same. Currently it shows garbled value, so the garbled address value. Okay, now see the output. Oh sorry, it should be CLR SCR, right? What is this printf statement missing? Okay, now see, the value of P is 972, which is a garbled value, and this 972 address may contain another garbled value 767, which is unknown to us. And coming to the address of X is 65524 and value of X is 10. Now I am assigning the address, right? The value of P now became 65524, the address of X, and the address value of P is 10. I hope you get the I hope you get an idea of pointers, right? Same thing is happened, right? Yeah, thanks all.